In this guide, I'll show you how to pair a new Firestick remote without your old remote to your Fire TV or Fire Stick. So put a fresh pack of batteries in your new remote. Then you want to press and hold the home button for 12 to 15 seconds. And I recommend you count this aloud just to ensure that it's been long enough and your remote should work with your device. Now, if it doesn't work, what I recommend you try and do is to actually unplug your TV from the power, and same thing goes with your Fire Stick. Now, once you've done that, you want it off for 60 seconds, and in the meantime, press the menu button, the back button, and the left button on your remote for 12 to 15 seconds. This is going to reset it, and once you've done that, again, count it aloud. What you want to do is flip your remote over and take out the batteries for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can go ahead and put them back in and put the back cover back on. Now, once you've done that, you can plug your Fire TV or Fire Stick back into the power. Then, with your remote, you want to press and hold the home button for 12 to 15 seconds again. And it's a little bit finicky, so if it doesn't work after that, try spam pressing the home button a little bit to see if it connects. So, if your new remote still isn't pairing, you could download the Fire TV app to your phone and use this as a remote. All you need to do is ensure that your phone is connected to the same Wi Fi as your TV or Fire Stick. Then you should be able to set up a new device or just select your device because it works very well. Then it'll connect you and you can use your phone as a remote. Now, from here, you want to go to settings on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. And then once you go here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to remotes and Bluetooth devices. Then you want to select the remote you're trying to pair. In my case, it's an Alexa voice remote. So I'm going to go to add new remote. Then I'm going to press and hold the home button for about 12 to 15 seconds until the light on the top starts flashing. Now, in my case, my remote's already paired, so it's going to flash orange, but yours will likely flash blue, indicating that it's paired to your Fire Stick or Fire TV. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.